my crafty friends and creatives from around the globe. Welcome to Hither and Yon Studio. And if you've been here before, welcome back. DJ here in the studio today, and I'm going to do a flip through of the bee journal that's now complete and ready for sale in my Ko-Fi shop. If you're interested, all the details will be down below. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so this is a journal that I did with some of my friends over on my YouTube lives and some on my own. So this is the final product. And if you guys were there with me, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for being there. All right, so this is the cover. The back is pretty plain. This will be a talking video, and it will be a longer video because I'm going to go through the whole journal. So you can decide how you want to handle that. All right, the spine has some of these fun ties of ribbon, and then there is a dangle, which I'll take off for the flip through. Just clips on this little piece here, and it's got a bunch of the fabric from the journal, just some beads, kind of a honeybee feel there. All right, this just comes off with Velcro, and it's removable, so you can take it off and put it to the side. You don't have to keep it with the journal. This top part is removable, this topper, and this piece connects to this piece with magnets, so they will attach back together to get back on the front of the journal, but we'll take it apart for now. In this piece, we have a pocket here with a little tag. Same here. This is actually a double tag. You just take this off and do some journaling space in there. Some journaling in there. It's like a hidden space. Okay. And this just flips. And it's got some honeybees. A little glimmer. This piece is another journal. It's a little mini journal, a traveling journal that you can take with you. It's got this little decoration in here, and this whole journal comes with a ton of ephemera that you can use to build out the rest of this journal and the other journal. It's got a nice metallic look here in a honeycomb style. Okay. And there's a lot of writing space in both this journal and this journal, and I did that on purpose. This is a writing journal, and you can build it out as much as you want. There'll be a lot of ephemera that I said, you know, we'll go with this, but it's up to you what you want to do with it. All right, we open this up. There's a little envelope with my letter to the purchaser. We have some of this queen bee material. A lot of the papers in here are from My Porch Prints, but there are some other mixes of paper in here. So that's what you'll see. This is coffee dyed paper with that lace dyeing. Nice little fern there. Got a pocket with some bits of ephemera. This is a little flip out. Has some more bits in there. Sweet as a bee. This says, "For so work the honeybees, creatures that by a rule in nature teach the act of order to a peopled kingdom." William Shakespeare. Lots of writing space. It's a removable paper clip. These ruffles are throughout the journal, and they have a honeybee fabric. So the whole theme of the fabric is bee related. Lots of writing space, lots of space to create. You could attach photos throughout the journal if you want. There are some center dangles in the signatures. So this is the first one here. Yeah. This is another paper clip and a little pocket here that's kind of floating. You can attach it in if you want, use it as a pocket, up to you. Little dragonfly here on the edge, dangling. If I can get it out of there. What is it doing? Okay, there we go. Okay, this is a little flip out that I made on my channel. This one is bee related, but it's got a little ticket in here, and then this little guy slides down to reveal a sweet word, be sweet, and then this flips out for some hidden journaling space. And that can go around a page or over the top of the page, completely up to you. The little bee paper clip. Lots of little elements for you, and you still have plenty of room for your own style and adding in ephemera or just writing, keeping track of things. Lots of little spaces, things to look at and explore. It's a little scrappy pad. It's removable, so you can replace it if you want. This is held on by this little hidden paper clip, and it releases to open up into some journaling space. Got my sing-songy voice on today. And that's just clipped on, but you can move it around, put it wherever you want. Another beautiful fern image. Sorry for the glare. Little tuck here with a journaling card. More of that coffee dyed paper with the lace look. Got a little journaling card and a number 2 because B is the second letter of the alphabet. And it's just a little tuck. This flips out like this, and this flips up. You could put some photos in here, and I've included some clear photo squares, corners, that you could use to do that. And then there's a couple of tags in here and here. We're on to our second signature. And lots of space to build on, write in. Another hidden paper clip with a little envelope. And some goodies in there I'll let the owner explore. Lots of fun little bits. This is another item that we made on the channel. This flips up, and there's little bits in here, some journaling space, and then a tag on the back, and it flips open for some additional space, like so, and then it just wraps around the page. And I gave you a couple of pieces of this bee paper with some sunflowers and bumblebees. Really pretty. our second signature center. She's got honey, and a couple of pieces of honeycomb. This is a pocket, and there's a bunch of ephemera in here as well. Tons of it. Lots of journaling cards and tags and bits. And then some hidden journaling space, or you could put some photos in here. Lots of little spots and hidden spaces. This is a fun journal. It would last you for a long time. There's a couple of pictures in here. These are authentic photos. This is like a lady in her garden. I thought it was appropriate. A little girl singing in the garden. And then just some more ephemera there. Room to add your own tags. This, from a vintage paper, looking for the bees. It's a fun little picture there. These pages are good to glue additional pages on if you'd like. And this is a good page. What I like to do with these wrinkled pages is put another page on top of them, or a piece of paper, and then take a crayon or a piece of chalk or a pastel and just go over it, and this will come up on your other piece of paper. So I love to put them in there for that. And then some additional journaling cards here. Five minus 2 equals B. And that is it. So that is the Bee Journal. And like I said, it's available in my Ko-Fi shop for now. You can get all of the information down below. And yeah, I hope you like it. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And if you would use this pretty little bee journal. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day or night. Bye.